What I've got here today is the Bugani M90. I heard a couple of good things about this. I've been looking for a waterproof, a Bluetooth speaker. I ride a one wheel. You've probably seen some of my one wheel videos, and I'm out in the woods a lot with it. I've got a little Philips Bluetooth speaker. It's not waterproof. They sell some other ones that are kind of small, fit in your backpack. That's cool. This will fit in my backpack, I'm sure. But it's waterproof. I was out at Guts Trail a few weeks ago. It downpoured, soaked everything. Soaked us all. Everything that's in my backpack was soaking wet. If I'd have had a Bluetooth speaker in there not waterproof, it'd have been ruined. Or if this was just sitting out on the trail playing music while we were doing laps, we really don't have to worry about anyone stealing anything out there, so we kind of feel safe leaving stuff out. But if I'd have had anything out just sitting outside, it would have just been ruined from the rain. And I mean, you couldn't see 5 feet in front of your face on a trail covered in trees. It was raining that much. So, Bluetooth speaker. Everybody wants music when you're out and about, and that's what we've got here. I have taken this out. I charged it because I do want to do a little demo. I don't know how my phone's going to handle having all these things running at the same time. Got a microphone running, got the camera recording, got the screen recording, everything. Nothing else in the box. Instruction pamphlet, and make some noise. Bugani lifetime full service. We'll see how long lifetime is for them. Here we go. I like how it looks in the pictures online. I like how it looks pictures that people have posted. It's not bad. This right here is hard. Bungee cord it right to the one wheel. Just throw it out in the woods. It looks... It's got a screw for a tripod on the bottom. Like a small, not something you put a camera on. It's kind of weird. Okay. Here we go. This package. USB wire, auxiliary jack. Here we go. Auxiliary, TF, 5-volt DC. This little waterproof cover. As long as it's in there, I'm sure your stuff will be nice. Yeah. Bam. Alright. Now, got that pushed in. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I just hit the button one time. I guess that doesn't work. There we go. Blue light. Alright. Down to 30%. Let's turn my Bluetooth on. Bugani M90. So the Galaxy Note 9, like, it's handling a lot right now. A lot of processes. I'm kind of impressed. Okay. Don't know how much I'm going to lose from the imaging app if I back out of it. Hopefully nothing. Let's go to my files. Okay. Plugged in. Recording. Let's see what we got going on here. This is music that I downloaded from Storyblocks. I think this one's a little upbeat. Yeah.
I'm pumping iron and I'm looking nice. Got a tattoo on my shoulder and a little nice. Women wanna love me and they call out my name. Ain't no candle, I'm a red hot flame. I'm a pretty woman lover, I'm an ugly woman's dream. Baby, you're lucky, have a man like me. I'm a pretty woman lover, I'm an ugly woman's dream. Baby, you're lucky, have a man like me.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a lover, I'm a fighter, I'm a never-ending itch. I'm a jumper through the jungle with a 9-foot whip. Got a body, got a booty, I'm a sugar king.
I don't know if you can hear me, but it's awesome. I think the guy's singing "I'm a Pretty Woman Lover." See, that was a little on the countryside. I don't know if I've got a... What's this Vegas rap?
welcome to town. Take a look around. Now sir, put the money in my hand right now, cause right now's the time for the roulette. Spinning and talking, walking the window till I'm rubbing in it. Using a pinch and a passion, rolling right up in the center with the dash going on until they say I'm the winner if you dig it. Don't get while the blackjack is good in my black stack of chips was 25%.
Let's go to Vegas, baby. Let's go tonight.
Let's go tonight.
Let's go to Vegas. We'll stay up all night. Let's go to Vegas, baby.
Not bad at all. Okay, this is something a little bit deep. The other two songs, there wasn't very much bass. It's a little bit better. And don't forget, it's 30 watts. It's not 50, it's not 100. It's a 30 watt little thing. This will definitely, I think it's something you'll be able to hear for a good distance away. Maybe not. There we go. Yeah. I like it a lot. That's as loud as it goes. Okay, so I'm excited about this thing. This is awesome.
I just want to feel the rush. Once you start, can't get enough. There's something about your touch that I love. Yeah, I love. You know I need it. Shock me in the heart. I need to see it. Find me.
Okay. This is awesome. I like it. I like it a lot. Wow. Impressive. So that's it. That's the Bugani Bluetooth speaker. This is a speaker here in the back. It vibrates when it's playing, and you can push in and see that it's like a little mini subwoofer. I mean, it's 3.5 inches. It's not very big, but it's all fairly tough. The outer cover feels like how the new GoPros, they got that plastic stuff that almost feels rubbery to protect the speaker from. Everything on this feels strong. This would be my only fears, like if you took it out in the woods and you just dropped it, could a stick poke through here? I mean, this piece is metal or plastic, but there's foam around the outside. That'll probably be my only concern as far as like any damage happening to this, taking it somewhere would be, I think that's the weak spot. I don't want to test it because I like this. I think I'll get a lot of use out of here. Alright, so that is, where's my instruction packet? It's the Bugani M90. What did I do with the instructions? Alright. They say product features, great for shower and outdoor use. Urable. I'm not kidding, I'll take a picture and show you. U-R-A-B-L-E. Urable, rugged, metal housing design, waterproof, IPX5 certification, 30-watt powerful sound, stereo pairing function, rechargeable battery, hands-free function. What's included? M90, user manual, auxiliary cable, input cable. Okay, I mean there's nothing to explain. This just works like anything. You turn it on, You hold down the power button until it starts blinking. That's when you pair it to your phone. Once it's paired, boom. Just like any other Bluetooth device, don't take your phone super far away from it, otherwise it'll start to cut out. You know, there'll be the lag time for the Bluetooth signal to get to it. But this, I like it a lot. I do. This is, other than this new super bright light, this is my newest, most favorite purchase. Yeah, I can't wait to get a lot of use out of here. All right, this one was kind of quick. It's all right. There wasn't much to it. It's just a Bluetooth speaker. The music that you heard, that's from Storyblocks. If you get a subscription through them, you're able to download music. You get the license for it. You can put videos up online, and you have, you know, you can still run ads. You know, it's royalty free. It's like I don't know what I'm paying each year, $149 or something a year. So if you do need sound for any videos that you make, Storyblocks is probably good. They don't sponsor me or anything like that. I just enjoy them. They got enough songs that I haven't been wanting while looking for music. Now that you've seen all this, I've got to edit these videos down. I've got to edit my screen recording down. Let's exit this. Oh, it's still working. I think the screen is still recording. So you guys, I mean, maybe I'll be able to just edit all this stuff together. I don't know what's going to happen. Anyhow, all right, that's it. I'm done. Done. Okay, so that has stopped recording. Now, you can still see me. I like this. All right, now, bye guys. Ciao. All right, adios.